Hey Sharks, today is February 9th, Monday. This is a much needed green day following up on Friday, February 6th. So the market is recovering from the week before when we had pullback in the tech sector. So let's see how this week plays out. And in this video, I want to share with you three other stocks that I have my eye on. And if these stocks fall into my price zones, I am jumping in. So first one is Cisco. I'm sure you heard of this company. They have been around for quite some time, uh, and they're servicing the AI infrastructure industry. So this is one of the companies that I have my eye on, and I like their TAM, the total addressable market, because they are serving globally, right, across the world. So they have revenue coming in from different regions. So my number one pick will be CSCO, Cisco, and if it gets into my price targets, I would execute a play. More than likely, either a leap for long term and to capture the upside, or just running a put credit spread for income. Looking at the charts, obviously today's a green day. You don't want to run a leap on a green day. But if it does touch back to certain levels, I'll be more than happy to do a play on leaps. I do like under 85 or even I would say close to 80. This will be the best zone to have to make a leap strategy play. So we'll have to just exercise patience and see how this stock moves. But this is number one. Number two, we have SK Telecom. They are based out of Korea, and you can also trade them on the ADR, American Deposit Repository. So ticker symbol SKM, and their same thing. They're also servicing the infrastructure, AI infrastructure industry based out in Asia, and their revenues has been really well, and they're doing really well over there. And they are partnered with hyperscalers. I believe Nvidia has some business dealings with them with SK Telecom. So this is the second play that I'm seeing. And for where it's trading at, it's not a high expensive stock, so you can run puts on this, run the wheel strategy very successfully. Even a leap at this price would be okay. It's kind of holding steady at the $28 level. So you can see here is a lot of sideways action right over here. So running a leap here, I like when this sideways action, all right, and then trending upwards. So sideways action trending upwards. This is a good point to run a leap, to buy a leap here, or just sell puts at a 25 strike level. And then third is Vistra VST, ticker symbol VST. They're in the energy sector. And yeah, they're the natural gas, wholesale energy. Again, this is all to service the database, the data centers that's being built around the US. So you can expect any energy company related are going to benefit from all the data centers being built. So this is the third one that I have my eye on. And same thing, if we can get a price level at a favorable, which there was opportunity just recently at the 140 range, but if it does dip back to the 140 range, you bet I'm going to be buying some leaps there. And you can consider doing put credit spreads on this stock as well, as long as the numbers look good. You can run some put credit spreads here. But I'm very bullish on Vistra VST, SK Telecom. This is an ADR ticker symbol, and then Cisco. All right, but Cisco is my top pick for this video here. And then yeah, so last week on Thursday, so Thursday was the 5th, right? That was the final day where we had the additional pullback, and then the 6th is when we had the recovery. So on the 5th, I was able to pick up more leaps when things were on sale, pretty much, right? When others are fearful, you want to be greedy and take advantage of those times. And these plays are working really well. So you can see here, I did the Archer 10 contracts. I bought a leap here, and this trade is plus 493. AMKR, I bought a leap during that time on Thursday. You can see I have a put credit spread here, but it's a little bit messy. But right over here, this one is the leap, and it's up 2,087. And then BE, I kicked myself. I could have done three contracts, but I was a little bit hesitant because BE has been quite volatile, and it was during earnings. But I could have executed two more contracts, but it's okay. One is better than nothing. I did one leap over here. It's up plus 934. And then GLW, my top pick right here. And then on that day, you can see I have three poor man's cover call, and then I have four leaps in total. So the first one, three. This one, I'm up 5,293. And then the second one is up 1,284. So just taking advantage of the pullback on Thursday, I was able to benefit 6,500 here. It's about 7,500. And then AMKR 789 9,000, and then over here. So it's about 10K in 2 days. All right. Obviously, I need to sell the close to take profits, but right now unrealized gains is about 10,000 on AMKR, BE, GLW, and Archer. Okay, so these are the three plays that I did. Yeah, so either way, I just want to share this with you all, and I want to see the data for Monday to see if the market is still has a lot of leverage or margin money in the market. So the data is coming out, I'll say mid beyond after mid February, I can be able to check the data on that. Because you want to be more conservative when there's too much funny money in the market, right? You have to be more conservative when others are greedy. And I think that even with the recent pullback, there is still a lot of leverage margin capital in the market. So you want to be extra conservative and careful. Now, if you are going to mess with margins, my recommendation is it has to be an A plus play to jump in with margins. Okay. But either way, this is how I trade. If you found this helpful, the ticker symbols helpful, and you're not sure what strategies to deploy, what's your portfolio size, understanding technicals, fundamentals, and understanding how to enter these type of trades, I'll be more than happy to help you. So you can generate income 3 to 10% per month, safely, consistently, semi-passively. Know when to put the gas on the pedal, know when to slow down, when to be conservative, when not to be conservative. All right. I have a group. Here you guys can see that I use WhatsApp. It keeps things very simple. This is where we share information about the market, and this is how we help each other, so we can minimize our mistakes, minimize our risks, and this way we can get to our financial goals. And this is the group, and this is how we can communicate with each other. You can always private direct message me as well. Um, yeah, and then yeah, like and subscribe, leave a comment. If you book a time, you will personally speak with me, so I can give you a tour. I can answer all your questions. And like usual, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You will see me in action coaching with my sharks. And then other than that, I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, didn't get filled yet, but let's go back to the main screen to see what else.
Then we have Iron and
Okay, so
Archer.
Pony got filled. You can see Pony got filled. And Archer, yeah, Archer, you have you have shares, or what do you have?
Yeah, I have the 700 shares at 690.
700 shares plus leaps,
Nine leaps, so 16 total.
16.
Yep.
So sell a call for $9, even though it's not. Yeah, just that's fine. Yeah, just a tight spread, so we can do that. Okay, that's gonna get filled. We'll just leave that. Let it run its course.
So
Let's go
then that
back
was
to the one that's pending.
they're both pending.
EJT. Let's update that one. Oh yeah, it's gonna go to 17 now. Yeah, it's 17. Yep. Yeah, that'll get filled. Okay.
Then we got the Archer. We have five more of these that need to get
Yeah,
filled.
we'll just let that wait a little bit, but keep an eye on it later today. We'll click on it real quick. Let me just see the spread right now. Just see if we're far away. 5 and 6. What's our limit? 6. So we're at the ask. Yeah, it's only not much at the ask. Let's just replace it. Let's go. It's only $1. Oh wait, damn it! The
Oh,
minute we hit replace, it hit continue.
uh, I
Oh wait,
think
how
it,
many are we missing? No, not 16. How many got filled? I think 11 got filled. We're missing 5.
yeah, but I think it got filled in the last second because the spread jumped right at the very.
I know, I saw, but no, it's still showing 11. So we gotta do 5.
Where is?
It's on the top. The $9 cover call.
It's not showing it.
Yeah, that's it. Archer, 9 call, 11 sales. We're missing 5 for 16. No, 5, yeah. 0.05. No. This is buy to close. You need a sell call. Go to
Oh,
options. Go on the bottom right.
oh, whoops! I didn't go the long way.
No worries. Yeah, sell call. 9 strike. Yeah. 5.